Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add login and registration system using Laravel Breeze. So here you can see this is our first application, Laravel application. So what I have to do, you have to actually open here command prompt, and then I have to actually run a few command. The first command is composer required Laravel /breeze, then --dev. Press enter. All right, now we have to write this command, that is php artisan breeze install blade. All right, done. Now here you can see I have open Apache and MySQL server. Now I will go to the browser, and here I will search for the project, that is localhost / we know I forgot to mention one thing, and that is we have to actually serve the Laravel. So php artisan serve, to run Laravel we have to use this. Okay, so this is the port 8000, so we have to type here localhost / 8000, right? 8000. Here you can see now we have login and registration system, and now you can actually go for registration and login. So let's say I want to log in as, let's say, Wasi, and here I will say wasi@gmail.com. Password is 123 and then 123. Register. Here you can see password field must be at least 8 character. Okay, so I will say here 81. Okay, you are logged in. Now you can see this is Wasi. If I go to the profile, here you can see Wasi, right? Okay, so if I go to the database, localhost / php myadmin, if I go to the database, and this is actually our database app, and if I go to the users, here you can see we have a user, and that is Wasi, right? Wasi@gmail.com. All right, now let's log out. Now let's say I want to go for login, and if I say here, let's say yamin@gmail.com, password 123. If I log in, it will show me that the credential do not match with our records because we haven't actually created, right? So our email was wasi@gmail.com, login, and here you can see the dashboard. All right, so this is how actually you can do login and registration system using Laravel Breeze. So I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.